some people, Rosalie come kind of defend herself, you would have say, you know what I mean, on her weight loss journey, you see me I say, and she come and eat some food, my people, and you know what I mean, the people in the comment section are going away, because I don't know, say everybody have everything to say about she and her weight loss journey, so we're going to hear some things where she has say, my people, because you see, when it come to like weight loss, I remember say Rosalie big, you know what I mean? And then a little person who just want to get fit, or somebody who want to drop pounds, you see me I say? And she get help otherwise than the exercise and them something there, right? But you see, when you're that big, you have to change your diet certain way. You know what I mean? If you eat the same thing them where you eat before the weight loss journey start, you know what I mean, you're not gonna really see result. And she really attack to the people them where she just start and them want to see result also. But people, you have to change your diet. Although if you consume some of the things that you used to consume in a moderation, you still can't see result. But you need a nutrition too. You know what I mean? You have to dedicate yourself for this, you know. So make we hear what she have to say, my people.
For man, me not eat, me just eat something. Cause I'm tired and I sleep from there. I wake up, I go to gym. You understand? I wake up, I go to gym, I come back. I eat some rice and curry chicken and a whole of food I eat. I try for when I eat this, but don't eat nothing more for the rest of the night. Me not have my fruit. So I'm hungry later, probably buy my boil 1-2 egg. That's it. Me not an early eater. Let's drink what's up. Okay, my darling. But me not look on them. Me not look on them, you know. Last night I saw me cabbage meat. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. How can you make changes in 2 days? I saw them quick for judge. How can somebody make changes in a 2 day? Nobody can make changes in a 2 day. 2 day. So if you just stop eat and starve. And now in your my mother today don't tell me already, so Rosealee, it takes time. You understand? I not eat for morning because I'm tired. I wake up, I go to gym, I come back. Look at rice, cook and I consume it. I not see nothing wrong with that. Some sat them in a drink no soda. The most thing I would drink is a Lucozade and water. I want ensure. And if me can go Saturday, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday without soda, 4 days without soda, that's a whole lot. Lucozade is not soda. Lucozade is not soda. Lucozade is energy drink. Lucozade an energy drink. Okay?
Alright, some people, a couple months now, Rosealee, I plan this weight loss journey, right? But it don't look like say she really prepare and ready for the journey. You know what I mean? Because you see, even cabbage, my people, that a thing where people cook with enough oil and butter and them something there. And yes, the cabbage are vegetable, but what you cook it with will help you to gain weight, although a vegetable. You have to know how you cook, you know. You see me, I say you have to know what you consume. You have to know what time you eat and night time. You understand me, I say? Like even the curry chicken, that they are fatty food, you know. You understand? Whole heap of oil, whole heap of butter. You see me, I say? That not good for you. You have to eat like swim around. You understand? You have to eat like beef, chicken, and them something there. You have to cut off certain food. She says she know fruits in her house. You have to know even the Lucozade, I don't think that even good for her. You see me, I say, but maybe she can shed the pounds by eating those things in moderation still, but you have to cut out fatty food. I don't think even the ensure good for her, because ensure something to build you up, you know what I mean? And I feel like so she have to get supplements, things to give her energy. You understand me? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section still. I can watch some more.
It's a brain and body energy. I'm not gonna quit sugar out of my diet completely. Barber pass the lighter. By the bed. I beg for come. I come for beg to give, you know. Me no want nobody chat to me and tell me what to do or what me not to do. Everything we do at its own pace of time. Everything we do at its own pace of time. Take up them then. I drink look Lucozade. One time a day I drink one Lucozade. And I'm also water me I drink, so my piss clear. Me no come for the whole pa yeah and tay and blay and the whole pa yeah. As the last time I come from gym tired like now, you know. And set up black shop, post me on my lie on my bed for 4 hours and I want to get up for bed. Now, you're a woman and a human being. And everything when you take out the content, you sit down and class people. No, I don't know set up shop from nowhere. She made a comment about me and I just heard. What they me and Jalen in the argument, she reach up a big one in a box, I cancel them for cancel you. But don't know your family with miss. Me don't know your family with miss. Me don't know you go Malik, you have to ask them. All more and the people are cut out the late night, you know what I mean? So when they reach certain time of night, me not eat again. That's all more cut out. The night time eating more cut out that. Me not, the night time eating done. When I say me eat now, me not eat again till tomorrow. Probably tomorrow them time, yeah. Barber! Come here. Look at the fridge, see the water. I chat them chat too much. Like it. Look at see the and the rain a fall at the bathroom water you hear around. Black that person there. Look at see the lighter. Block some of them. No, but someone want to chat to me. Someone do have no certificate, not a doctorate in a nothing. Someone just too enough. Someone not a certificate, no doctorate in a nothing. Someone just too enough. No certificate, no doctor in a nothing. Enough.
People, in order for Rosealee see result, she have to do some drastic changes in her diet. It's something I say, some real drastic changes, you know what I mean? And the late night eating, that a one, yes, but how late you cut off your eating because at night now, and yeah, eat same way, right? So, we feel like say, she need to consult a nutrition, you see me, if you know what to do and what not to do. You see me, if she really want to do this thing and see results, you know what I mean? Because enough people me see a exercise. You see me, I say just for try get in a shape, and it take them a whole lot. You understand? Them change them diet, them exercise. I remember say Rosealee no have the you would say she not slim if you do some drastic workout. If you work out them are some simple workout because she not reach a stage yet where she can go hard in the gym. You understand? So the diet change that I go help her to slim down a little bit so she can move faster and them way there. But you know some people now go and take no talk because a whole heap of people are bombard her with all different type of opinion or something. So, you know what I mean? She need to just consult a nutritionist and them tell her what to cut out her diet.
Lady says the lady says that the lady say is that the food we consume. I know we eat at any hour now, how much we eat. And the man did tell me, James did tell me, eat small portion. So when the man stretch, you eat one look of something, and you drink something, and you just satisfy and call it a day. Him never tell me to stop Niam. Him say eat in a small portion. Eat in a small, you know what I'm saying, start Niam? So I take 2 spoons of rice and walk up the road and come back and take 2 more spoons. And go around and come back and take 2 more spoons. A small portion. You know what I'm stop eat? So later in the night, I feel like I eat 1-2 egg. I go and eat the 2 egg and drink some water. When I go do, to me the pan diet, I not eat nothing and starve. What do you really want me to know? Everything in life takes time. If I lose weight, me or lose, I'm enough to lose none, but just not gonna lose none. But I still try at it. To the home I feel, if you see me can get up and go gym, me not have no problem. The reason them say don't eat at night is because you not to eat and go sleep, but you can eat anytime. Whether I cut out late night eating. Long as me I try, me don't want someone to come tell me nothing. She set up black chop she there. I got a gym yesterday, I'm coming, I'm tired. I mean, I said, like, I'm tired. I'm going to lie down little. I'm going to lie down. And the woman post me, oh, I'm nasty. She post me, oh, I'm nasty. I'm just got a gym, I'm going to take a shower. So I ask someone over there, so now, when you bathe, and I go grind. So you bathe, but after 9 or after 7, I go grind, you go grind. I know when you grind, you sweat up on the things them. Right? When you don't grind, you know how to take a shower. I have some people when them done grind, you know. You have some people when them done grind, you know, them just lie down in a bed. So is it the same thing? Not the same time. Is it the same thing? Kind of like Peter compare, you know. like Pete, you know, like compare gal with certain things. Because you don't like gal on the app. When you done beard, are you done beard? When you done beard, whether you everybody was done grind and you sweat you go beard. Sometimes when you done grind and you sweat you go fall right a blood clot sleep. So what you say? When you too enough, and I notice that someone when you too enough. I truly can't sick two girl come so every day come hustle. I look try so I think when you like go like you know something about blood clot, y'all. %95 of the time when you are in with whoever, whatever, whenever. Sometimes as I done, you're tired. You don't do it, you're tired. So sometimes you just drop right as it isn't the same thing. When we are grind, all our sweat. All in a AC, a little perspire will come because your body is active. Sometimes we don't do it, I would do just lie down right over blood clot there and just relax yourself. Sometimes we too well relax, we drop asleep. Because falling asleep is when you're well relaxed. If you're not relaxed, you can do man 7 days, but I lie up on my bed for 4 blood clot hour. I'm just come from the gym, that's so when him set up black shop. See and Lee's mattress. Let me make selling now you girl. And let me make selling now you girl. Big old man. Let me make selling now you. I be a man no show gift key. I don't walk and use girl where girl say pan here for content pound look at dirty page. I saw only can have followers. Remember a girl on the post have followers. Me never post it yet. You walk in and you're going to your car and you walk out the grocery shop in the sun is shining and you walk out the shop and you come back and you sweat. What you going to do? As you come back from the shop, remember you know, you bathe and put on your clothes. So you go buy some grocery and you walk out the grocery shop. Go buy what you buy. And when you come back from where you come back and you come home, what you going to do? Just jump in the bathroom and go bathe? Because you didn't walk and did a sweat. You're going to have a seat and cool off. Some people like to sit, some people like to lay down. I'm the person who like to lay down. But I'm the person who like to lay down. I'm just like the person that like to lay down. Me say be a 2 times a day, sometimes I be all 4 if me have to. But you like murder, I put them on the blood clot cross. And that me realize with Yasso. It's not easy, you know? Yasso not easy. Yasso do easy. If you're beard and you got a road and you walk up and you got a road. You spend 1 hour and a half and you come back and you're tired. You did a sweat, you reach your yard. You don't want to cool off your structure, we don't want to go slung or lie down. Any sweat or sweat. So sometimes when people tired, all them want to do is relax. Say me go to the gym and come back and want to relax down in my bed. Me don't see why I set up black shop that should be a personal reason to you. Me don't see why that should be a personal blood clot vendetta to you. That should be a personal vendetta to you. Yeah. I'm tell you what she write up on her post. Come here and triple that play a match. And this is what she write. Because somebody send come give me. You have issue with people, man. She post me up here.
Alright, people. Me nah lie still, you know. Rosealee have a point still, you know. Yeah, man, she have a point. You know what I mean? But me I go say this. You know, sweat that much when you do your thing with your significant other. You understand? If you walk a shop, you know, sweat that much. Remember, say your activity you do, you know, you exercise, whatever, you know. So you go sweat more. You understand? But as me say, people, she have a point. You know what I mean? She justify why she lie down in her bed so long or whatever. But it look a waste still. You know what I mean? Because normally when people go gym, the next thing for do, a cool off and go all a shower. You know what I mean? That are the next thing for do. You know what I mean? If you're with a significant other and you do a thing, sometime, you know, go shower. You know what I mean? But on a level, it different. It kind of different. You understand me? But more want to tell me who want to think still. But this journey where Rosealee I take on right now is like she just a try a thing.
Rosealee a nasty. Rosealee a nasty. You damn nasty. Go be your frowns yourself. From gym to your bed. Height and nastiness. That's what she post up about me, you know. From sweat gym to bed. Frownsy and smell bad. Rosealee got beard. Cancer Rosealee. Big up my brother Cian League. You suck dog set up black shop. Bobby can buy, but big up my brother. You suck dog, dirty old man. And walk and buy blood clot. Come show your real face. That's if I do. Rosealee, you come from the gym about 4 hours now. You should have get up and go bed long time. From sweat gym to bed, height of nastiness and frownsiness. You order me, you older than me, Rosealee. So you're the thinking sour power with no beard. We need to see a real face. We need to see a real face. You're so and that's for those that everybody smell when them sweat. Them want some clarification with you. I mean, I not with them. Set up black shop, you want a qualification with you. I mean, no with you. Me and you can do a smell test. I mean, no me smell better than you. 110% all when me a sweat. When I ask you that, those size up. When you look a blood clot friend them want run go over the comment, some girl wanna like me, and then you try a track with your tone. You can't cancel me. Come in and post up one about them wanna walk and post up about people. I only forget cancel. I only screen a card page get cancel. Cause when I walk and post up about people. Cause when I mix up, I only forget cancel. All we do is come on the live and blog. And you can't stop me from come from gym and lie down on my bed. Any blood clot time. Whatever I feel like, however. If you want some nasty that your business. If you want some frozen that your business. If you want some stink that your damn blood clot business. Bye turn on that cat alcohol come. Anything you want to say nowadays that eat me at work with. I not prove nothing to no big put on ya. Yeah. Yeah. Man, I have nothing to prove to not anything on the site me I work with. Me I beg 2 taps. Bar. Get alcohol come. Anything on the site me I work with. Cause someone who a chat about girl mouth stink like it. Someone who a chat about girl someone who a chat about girl not confident like me. Cause don't take a confident overweight girl for they at the gym and can blog without 3,000 people that watch her and don't give a f. A confident a key for me. Someone not confident, you can't show. Someone who say jump up in a box in a class, girl, you not even can show on a face. I'm confident, I accept who me are, and where I'm from. May I do this? When I do this now, I do it for me. I'm confident in myself. And the girl them boy, Panya, sister, I'm confident. About myself as well. Enough people have thousands of followers I will not click their live. Someone on the screen a card, I want somebody to say go live pam blood clot. Screen a card, most of the blood clot I'm a sexy ray. And she always show her face. When she eat, she show the food mostly. Cause you can't take criticism. You can't take criticism and you can't take bring down. And that's no problem. You can't take criticism and you can't take bring down. When look a boy, turn down that. You can't take criticism and you can't take bring down. No, you take a tree root, you take a real tree. You take a real true person can click a live and do whatever. I don't know if I only can do it. I don't hear that. I don't know eat girl for. Yeah. Who say me need therapy? Who say me need a hug? Who say me have depression? Confidence is key. And if I want to shape like we call it the Kim Kardashian with the stiff titty and the big boobs and the big breasts on the naga live. Cause I'm afraid say if them see one people on the face the world are gonna know. I'm scared of that. No for now come live without makeup on. Una do things for camera roll. Me do things for camera blood clot roll. Eh? Me I got order my gym clothes. I'm gonna order it yet. I'm gonna wear when me have got gym. So true me don't have gym equipment, gym clothes so we got gym. Me no figure. Me throw on my big frock. I'm throw on my boxers, underpants. I'm gone on my blood clot gym gonna work out. I confident somehow you not have. Don't blame me because me confident more than you know. Don't blame me because me can sit in front of my camera, make them look at my blood clot mouth, tell me about my tongue white, tell me about my tongue ring, tell me about my eyebrow, tell me about the blood clot things. I'm not going to do it, so Lord make me do it. Because doing certain things have a lot of guts and balls to do it. Certain things you just get up and do it. A person would never steal. But a person who got the guts and the balls to do it will do it. A girl will say, oh, man, I'll go back road to sell my front. Some girl have the guts and the balls and the nerves. Them gone a road. Enough man have the blood clot, guts and the balls and the intakes to pull up. Some man will bust your head flying.
Me not think it take guts and balls to pull a chica, right? Or dirt somebody. I don't think you take that. You understand? But people, she just a try to, you know what I mean, put a point across. Say some people now go do what others do. You see me? And she confident enough to do whatever she do. You see me? But as myself, my people, it's been a while since Rosalie had planned this weight loss journey. And I feel like say she should have been more prepared. It's like she just a do her thing. Nothing wrong with that still. Because at least she step out and I do something to try lose the weight. You know what I mean? If it work, it work. That's how she look on it. And I like see as something where she really dedicated to and say, yo, I must do this, I have to do this.
No for who say people that do things and can't do it. And that's how you have the narrative and the bad man is now. No. Me sitting blood clot here. Me sitting here coming every day, come so long and talk, whatever. Someone only hate me for that. Because someone don't want it but don't know how to. Someone don't want it but don't know overdraw crowd. Mr. Negos, we are class me. Have 500,000 followers. And what them going I'm chatting right SYM go suck your mother. Film chat don't even have 500 blood clot people and a regular 2,000 over here 3,000 and I'm just here living nowhere. Him have 5,000 500,000 followers. Come and take my check on the state in the status on the database. We have 500,000 followers and phone chat never consistent as over 500 people and I am here every day. Sometimes I run with the fall 4,000 blood clot people as long as I say cause some is stay. Sometimes I gotta run with the fall 1,000 people there so I just restart. You don't know me talk that all way those. Nobody has to say nothing. 1,000 people me throw away and restart for less. And that beat on a bad day by day every day because people is confident in what they are doing. And every girl can hold a Brawlin in the middle daylight. When some girl will do it ratch and because she's confident in what she wants to do. When you're confident in what you are doing, you do what you want to do. So when I come in, I do my life, I'm confident in what I am doing. I don't think what I'm saying, even if I'm saying bullshit or rubbish, I'm confident in what I'm doing and I'm confident in what I'm saying. You can't get that from me. I want to tell me some big ass. Confident is key. No for want to type, no for want to bully people behind keyboard. No for want to bully people behind key blood clot board. No for want to make fake page jump up in a people box and class people behind the camera. I have never seen none of y'all that turns on a camera. Each of us go big and have a class girl not turn on the camera. The camera never on yet. Rosealee big ass stink. Go stuck camera Rosealee. And your camera don't turn on. I am for the eye of the public. I live my life.
For a big person still, me have to give Rosealee that, you know what I mean, the level of confidence where she have. You know what I mean? She not shy and have low self-esteem like other woman with big certain way. So I have to give her that still. You see me?
To show people that you can do whatever, whenever. Where you're from and who you are doesn't define nothing about you. If a person gonna love you, they're gonna love you. And if a person gonna hate you, that's gonna hate you. And you have people that see people that hate them for no reason. Hatred don't come without a reason, nor a cause. A person can see a daily, monthly, week and just hate them for no reason. You and I never met. We never have a personal vendetta. We no make no nothing. I got just to say no like I mean me know me get this yes so. But you can't break my confidence. Because me not no gym clothes the way I got gym. I'm a clothes that me have. Me chew on with my boxers and underpants. Come here look for the tights and I can't find them. But the tights I'm kind of short still. So I want taller tights. So I say, I go buy some tights. I go buy some tights. I make Tiara buy 1 dozen knee-length tights, see me? I me buy the shirt them for she, but more on the tights them. I'm gonna go over and go look on the tights them and buy them. Me not have a gym clothes where I got gym. But that doesn't stop me from going to the gym. Me throw on this and I look at boxers underpants. I rush out like Russian roulette. Me throw on look at sneakers when I have and go about my business. No for blood clot uno nah sit down and take criticism. Here's not for the weak. Enough for you will come here and tap in a blood clot phone face. I just vice alone that you're no weak. Can if you not turn on the camera come angle a girl. None of you not do it. Oh Rosealee big and stick but we can't see your face. We don't know if you have no rotten teeth in your blood clot head. Me don't have for you long blood clot time. Why would I want to be on you? You think I lie? No for them where you see each up in a box like pear and teeth on the mouth. You live a fun and not live no good life. Cause me tell myself me could not live my best life ever. And still I worry about Ivani, Triple, TJ, Maya, Cuz, Jaden, Miss Blinger. It continue on and on and on and on and on and on and on. If we go down in a brawl and I've said what I've said and you said where I said we're gone right through the door. No teacher come on my yard 2 o'clock. Me not have him up. And last night me and him play one match and I tell me say him I got there. I switch sleep party. I say okay, no problem. What that have to do with me? You get that like say you got see me at the party and leave me. If you want to do what you want to do, you'd have been done it already because you know where I live. You said what you have said and I've said what my said. I'm not keep it over your shoulder. You know where you to come for. I would done right this so. Someone weak. Set up black truck, you're weak. All you can do is screen a card and type up and write up. I'm tell you right now, I smell 100% better than you. Cause you're nobody. Remember walk around and screen a card people live and post up to have a page. Me not do that. Anything is on my page is about me. You don't see Ivan, you don't see a TJ, you don't see a Ma, you don't see a Triple, you don't see a Jaden, you don't see nobody on my page more than me. Yeah, you're weak girl. You're weak. I am not living a life. You're not living a life. I want screen a card with me say I live life boy and a sexy ring. Cause me see her on ship and shore. I'm not living a life. I'm not for black one in our restaurant. Pay people blood clot business. I'm not living a life. Then me could have lived a life. I ain't have words with people and them business. Confident is key. What am I want big like house stop or house but I'm what I want live now or not. I living my best blood clot life. And me not give a f. When a girl and a boy want blood clot say, come know sir, me go down on the blood clot yeah like matter. And I go to ride pound them outside like bright glow, not just blood clot wake. Me Rosealee. I go down on the blood clot yeah like matter. And I go to pound them outside like bright glow, not just blood clot wake. So I'm outside Pan set up black mouth side. And I like Brawlin, she does blood clot. We come on you about frownsy. You gonna tell me say me frowns and that eat me, that keep me down to the curve. I told me reach a blood clot gym late today. I never blood clot go live. And I exercise show the whole of you. I reach late, some of those fall in. I reach late, some of those fall in. Me never like to cut my phone. I reach, I start them, I see them I work out already, but those fall in. And I'm more every day in my house for life. I don't say that I have nothing to do with you. Someone if you go on and stop coming and come chat to me. Me no want to, me never know someone know. Come here. Cause me don't know why someone that type. We never contribute to my rose over here. So come. Bye bye. Who next? Come. Bye bye. Who next? Who next want a block?
Alright, so my people. Alright, so me I go end it. Just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. And as me say, my people, Rosealee need to do a drastic diet change. You know what I mean? She need to consult a nutritionist. You see me? So that them can put her on a diet for, you know what I mean, lose some weight. Because if she eat the same thing them that she used to eat before the weight loss journey, you not gonna really do nothing for her like that. She not gonna see the result. She have to just go in some drastic changes. You know what I mean? Cause she have to start with the diet first, you know. Cut down on certain things where she eat and put in some different thing in her diet so that she can lose the weight, cause she can't exercise and lose the weight yet she not have that little thing there, you know what I mean? She's still big in her way, so you know what I mean? Let me know all the things, people.